What do you do when a home has been standing for more than 100 years? You protect what makes it special. The Historic Leiman House is a remarkable piece of Tampa history, filled with original details that simply can't be replaced. But in Florida, protecting those details means protecting them from something we get plenty of every day: the sun. Built in the early 1900s, the Historic Leiman House was once home to the Leiman family, whose legacy is part of Tampa's rich history. And when you step inside, you quickly realize this isn't an ordinary home. Some of the original hardwood walls and floors were crafted from reclaimed cigar boxes, connecting the home to Tampa's historic cigar-making heritage. There's even a room featuring wallpaper made from red velvet fabric. These details have survived for generations, and preserving them means protecting more than just the building. It means protecting the story inside. Florida sunshine is one of the reasons people love living here, but that same sunlight can take a toll on what's inside your home. UV exposure can contribute to fading and deterioration of hardwood, furniture, artwork, fabrics, and other interior finishes. Solar heat can also make rooms noticeably warmer, especially around large windows. So, for a historic home like the Leiman House, the challenge was finding protection without changing the character of the property. The goal wasn't to make the windows dark, it was to protect the home while keeping its natural light, beautiful views, and original appearance. That's where our team came in. We installed 3M Prestige 40 and 3M Prestige 70 window film throughout the home, along with 3M Exterior Prestige 70 on select windows. The installation process requires precision, especially when you're working inside a property with historic finishes. Each window is carefully prepared before the film is applied. Once positioned, the film is professionally squeegeed onto the glass to create a clean, seamless finish. And that's the point of a project like this. When the installation is complete, you shouldn't walk into the room and think about the film. You should still notice the architecture, the craftsmanship, the light, the view. 3M Prestige window film is designed to provide solar protection while maintaining a relatively clear appearance. The films installed at the Leiman House help reduce solar heat, minimize glare, and block up to 99% of harmful UV rays. That added protection can help preserve the things that make a home unique, from original hardwood and furnishings to artwork and fabrics. And because the film maintains the home's appearance, you don't have to choose between protecting your interiors and enjoying your windows. You can have both. For the Leiman House, this wasn't about changing a historic property. It was about helping preserve it. Modern window film provides a layer of protection against the Florida sun, while allowing the home to remain exactly what it is: a beautiful piece of Tampa history. Because protecting history isn't about changing the past, it's about helping preserve it for the future.